Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir. I'm Habibatul Gifani with student IDs 25200 and 44. I'm here with permission to answer the question you have given. The first question is, what is a teacher? Okay, teacher is both in formal school and in other learning situation. Teachers are people who are responsible for educating, teaching, building, training, assessing, and evaluating students. Teachers not only teach students, they also help them develop their skills, moral value, attitudes, and potential because of their big role in education, recognition, and shaping individual character. Teachers are often referred to as unsung heroes by society. Teachers can work in various fields such as school teacher, lecturer, trainer, or mentors in everyday life. More broadly, the term teacher can also refer to someone considered a mentor, inspiration, or expert in a field. Okay, then the second question is a name and expression the two main tasks of a teacher. Two main responsibilities of educators and their explanation is the first is educating a teacher to educate the formation of students' character, morals, and attitudes related to educational tasks. Teachers not only teach lessons, but also teach responsibility, discipline, ethics, social norms, and honesty. In this way, teachers help students become people who are moral, dignified, and ready to face challenge in life. Secondly, teaching is the main task of teacher is providing knowledge, skill, and insight to their students. To do this, teachers must use effective learning methods, strategies, and media to ensure students understand what is being taught. Teachers are also responsible for encouraging students to learn actively and develop creative and critical thinking skills. These two stacks complement each other and produce a generation that is cognitively intelligent and has a clear moral nature. And the third is, what is RPP or teaching module? Explain its function and content. Okay, RPP is Learning Implementation Plan, and teaching module are planning documents used by teacher to direct learning activity. First is Learning Implementation Plan or RPP, document that explain what will be taught, how the learning process will take place, and the evaluation that will be used. RPP are usually made based on the curriculum that applies in country or region. One form of implementation of the independent curriculum is teaching modules. Teaching modules usually contains lesson material, learning strategies, and assessment in one document. It is a more flexible and comprehensive learning tool that can be adapted to students' needs. Contents of the teaching module is independent curriculum, is module objective, exceed the expect competencies is Pancasila student profile. Pancasila student profile is characters ability build learning outcomes is goals of students' abilities pathway, a learning plan, learning activity carried out every day, projects or activity that are based on experience. Core material is that is relevant to the study evaluation and formative and sometimes assessment, attachment, student works and assessment tools learned from additional source. Key difference from lesson plans, they are usually simple and more formal, and they are used within a more standard learning structure. Teach module is more flexible, rich in source, research, and support independent or collaborative learning. The aim of this document is to make learning more focused, organized, and meaningful in accordance with student needs and applicable curriculum. And the fourth question is, mention some learning methods that you know. Give an example of one that you did learning in PPL. Okay, there are many learning methods, but I only use a few methods, including is definition of storytelling. Definition of storytelling is teacher or students tell story in English to help them understand and speak well. For example, the teacher tells the story of Cinderella in English, then asks students to answer a question or retell the story. Students create short story about their own experience and share them with the class, ideal for improving listening and speaking skills. Comparative learning, and the second is comparative learning. Definition: students work together in small groups. They complete tasks together. For example, students work in groups and compose narrative paragraphs based on the sequence of pictures given to create a game called Scrambled Sentence, in which students had to arrange scrambled sentence into correct paragraphs suitable for all communication skill, reading, writing, and listening. And the third is project-based learning method definition. It's students create creative project based in of English. For example, our students produce travel video blogs. And the fifth question is mention and explain several evaluation methods. Give example of what you did during PPL. Okay, several evaluation method that I use when I'm graduate and when I'm PPL is the first is format evaluation is goal. Monitor student progress during the learning process and provide feedback for improvement. The second is suitable for improving vocabulary understanding, grammar, and speaking skill. And for example is give a short quiz about the use of tense after material is explained. Create a think, write, share activity activity or for speaking practice. Makes immediate correction during class discussion. And the second is summative evaluation objective is measure student achievement at the end of learning, suitable for assessing students' mastery of all competence talk. An example is the final semester exam consists of writing and oral text. It's a writing to assess students' writing abilities. Create projects such as presentation on a current topic use English. And the third is diagnosis evaluation. Diagnosis evaluation object is identify the students' initial needs and abilities before learning begins and suitable for knowing students' level of English mastery. Example, provide a placement test to measure language level, conduct short interview to assess students' speaking abilities, short reading test to assess the ability to understand the text. And the fourth is process evaluation goal. Assess a student engagement and learning effectiveness as it progresses. Is suitable for ensuring students are active in speaking or discussion activities. For example, is observation as students work in groups to complete assessments such as role play, assessment of students' participation in class discussion or debates. And the sixth is question is what is meant by cognitive motor and affective abilities. Is the difference between the three. Cognitive focus more thinking and knowledge, motor focus on physical movement and practical skills, and the effectivitas focus on personal feelings, attitudes, and values. These three domains are interrelated and important for holistic individual development, especially in the context of education and learning English. And the last question for you is mention and explain for teacher competencies. Which one do you still feel is lacking? Then where are you effort to improve it, right? Okay. The first is there are pedagogical competence, the ability to understand students and manage learning effectively, including design, implementation, and influencing in the learning process. And the second is professional competency ability to master subject matter in depth and relevantly, as well as develop skill according to the fact being taught. And the third is social competence ability to communicate and interact with students, colleagues, parents, and the community in a good and professional manner. And the fourth is personality competency, a personality that is stable, mature, has integrity, and is a role model for students, such as being disciplined, fair, and responsible. All of these competencies support each other to create teachers who are professional and have character. And maybe my shortcomings are in professional competence. Because of the shortcoming, I'm even more enthusiastic about learning to improve so that I can become the best teacher for my student in the future. Well, that's my answer.